Tired of static designs? Let's bring the world of news to life with a dynamic newspaper animation in Adobe Animate. First, let's set up our project. Open Adobe Animate and create a new action script. 30 document. Adjust your stage size to a typical newspaper format, something like 800 by 600 pixels. Now, let's build the layout. Use the rectangle tool to draw the basic shapes for your newspaper sections, headlines, body text, images, and columns. Experiment with colors and fonts. Use the Properties panel to customize your elements, like changing the fill and border sizes. Next, the magic happens. Select a headline box, then convert it to a movie clip symbol. Double-click the headline symbol to enter its editing timeline. Use the text tool to write your headline. In the headline's timeline, add a keyframe at frame 20 in the first keyframe. Position the headline off screen. In the second keyframe, move your headline to the center of the screen. Then make it animate smoothly between those keyframes. Create a simple motion tween to create the animation. Add a touch of flair. In the main timeline, add a layer for the overall newspaper background on that layer. In a new keyframe, consider adding an image to give it some atmosphere. Also consider drawing some elements such as the logo or border. Finally, test your animation. Press Ctrl-Enter to export and preview. Watch it come to life. Now you've created a dynamic, engaging newspaper animation that wraps up our tutorial. You've learned the basics of designing and animating a newspaper in Adobe Animate. Hit that like button.